As we gaze into the night sky, the cosmos whispers tales of ancient light and distant worlds. Astronomy, the study of celestial phenomena, reveals the grandeur of the universe and our unique position within it. This exploration begins with our solar system, a tiny enclave in the vast galactic expanse where planets orbit a lone star we call the Sun. Further afield, we find that galaxies, those colossal collections of stars, gas, and dust, are not merely scattered randomly, but are bound in a cosmic ballet, driven by the forces of gravity. This grand dance of the galaxies reminds us of the dynamic nature of the universe, one that is ever expanding and full of wonders beyond our wildest imagination. In this pursuit of cosmic knowledge, we are reminded that despite the vastness of space, human curiosity knows no bounds. As we stand on the brink of new astronomical discoveries, let us carry the torch of inquiry forward, ever eager to uncover the secrets of the stars. Welcome to a conversation on the future, a dialogue on the intersection where biology meets economics, bioeconomics. At this juncture, we find the principle of sustainability as a guiding force. In bioeconomics, sustainability is not an abstract ideal, but a concrete strategy. It acknowledges that the preservation of biodiversity fuels economic growth by maintaining ecosystems that are foundational to human resources. Additionally, bioeconomic models stress the importance of innovation in biotechnology. Through the lens of economics, biotechnology is a vast field, teeming with opportunities for growth, from developing sustainable agriculture to revolutionizing healthcare. It represents the potential for economic expansion that aligns with the ecological balance. To the young minds poised to inherit and reshape this world, bioeconomics offers a roadmap for a future where prosperity does not come at the expense of the planet. Let us lean into this synergy, where every stride in biology is a step towards economic resilience. Today, we shine a light on renewable energy, not just as an environmental imperative, but as an economic symphony poised to redefine our global economy. The first movement in this symphony is job creation. The renewable sector has become a formidable engine for employment, offering diverse opportunities from engineering to administration, invigorating local and global economies alike. The second movement is energy independence. As nations invest in wind, solar, and hydropower, they lessen reliance on imported fuels. This shift can reduce national trade deficits and stabilize economies, resonating with the urgent need for sustainable growth. In the concert hall of the future, renewable energy plays the lead, promising a crescendo of economic stability and ecological harmony. Let's embrace this movement with the vigor and passion it deserves. In the realm of film, we find a universal language that transcends borders and connects hearts. Cinema is not just entertainment, it's a mirror reflecting our societies, a canvas for our dreams, and a portal to diverse worlds. Its power lies in its ability to evoke emotions, challenge perceptions, and inspire actions. Furthermore, the impact of cinema extends beyond the screen. It stimulates economies through job creation and tourism, as iconic movie scenes make locations into landmarks. It also preserves culture and history, capturing the essence of an era for future generations to witness. As we, the youth, forge our paths, let's recognize the profound influence of cinema. It's a medium that holds the power to shape narratives and change conversations on a global stage. Let's embrace it with the critical eyes of learners and the passionate hearts of creators. As we embark on this intellectual voyage, Let us turn our gaze to the microscopic universe that thrives within and all around us, the microbial world. These microorganisms are the unsung heroes of our planet, essential to the Earth's life cycles. They are not merely passengers in the journey of life. They are its engineers, facilitating processes from digestion in our bodies to nutrient cycling in the oceans. Furthermore, the study of microbes opens a window to biotechnology's potential, offering solutions to pressing problems like waste management and sustainable energy. The power of microorganisms is harnessed in bioreactors to clean our water and in the soil to enhance agricultural productivity. As we stand at the threshold of our careers, let's acknowledge the profound impact of these tiny yet mighty organisms. By exploring and understanding the microbial world, we can unlock secrets to both sustaining and enhancing life on our planet. Let's dive into this miniature cosmos, for even the smallest life forms hold keys to the grandest of questions.
Thank you for watching this video. Will help you a lot, and subscribe our channel Vital PTE Academy to see more education related videos of PTE Academy. I will meet you in next video.